Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're couponing at Walgreens this week and we're gonna use the savings to be able to pay off our debt. So at the end of every week, what I'm gonna do is share with you guys exactly how much money I'm able to use as an additional payment towards my debt. That is how I'm going to be debt-free this year and I am so excited. We have insane deals this week at Walgreens to be able to stock up on a variety of your family essentials. We're getting Gain products for $2.24 a piece. We have super cheap Charmin and Bounty deals as well. Plus, at the end, I'm going to show you two different scenarios. Whether you have a spend 30, get 10 digital booster, or if you have a spend 40, get 10 digital booster, I'll show you two exact scenarios that you guys can do using only your phone. So let me know in the comments what booster you got this week. I'm super excited. Last week, I didn't get any digital boosters, but this week I did, so I'm really excited to be able to use those because that is part of stacking your deals to really maximize your savings. And of course, be able to have the lowest out of pocket so you can really save money on the products that you're actually using. Below in the description box is going to be a printable breakdown with some of the deals. Let's pop into Walgreens and take advantage of incredible deals this week. This week, the hair care promotion is back at Walgreens. So what we're gonna do is spend $25 on participating products. We'll earn back a $10 register reward. Last time, I believe it was a store register reward that we earned. So I'm gonna grab two of the Garnier Fructis that are $4.49. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. It does work on a bunch of other products as well. They are different price points. So of course, adjust your math accordingly if you do grab something else. Then we're gonna grab two of the L'Oreal Elvive at $5.49 each. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon for this as well. And finally, we're gonna grab two of the Garnier Whole Blends at $5.49 and use the 4 off 2 digital coupon for this. So this is what your cart should look like. Total for all these products is $29.69. After all the digital coupons come off, you'll pay $17.69 out of pocket. Yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards on this deal. You'll still earn back the $10 register reward for spending $25. Makes your final net cost only $7.69 for 6 products or $1.28 a piece. Next, we're grabbing our oil care deals. So Colgate is $5 on sale this week. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $7, earn back the $5 register reward. Makes your final cost $1 a piece, which I think is a really good deal. Then we're gonna grab the Crest deals. I'm gonna grab the ones that are $4 each. They're buy 3 and get a $5 register reward. And we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon if you haven't used it yet. You're gonna wind up paying $7 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. Makes your final cost $2 for 3 of them, or about 67 cents a piece. Next, we have an absolute run deal on laundry products. I haven't seen it this cheap since last year. We're gonna grab laundry for $2.24 a piece. This is an in-store deal. When you buy 4, you'll earn back a $5 register reward. Grab one of the Unstoppables because it has a $2.50 digital coupon. Next, you're gonna grab a Downy Rinse and Refresh. There was only one left at my store, and this has another $2.50 digital coupon. Next, I grabbed all Gain. You can do Gain or Tide, it doesn't matter. One of the Flings with a $1 digital coupon and a Gain Liquid with a $1 digital coupon. So total for all of these is gonna be $21.96. After the coupons come off, you're paying just $14.96 out of pocket. Earning back a $5 register reward makes it $9.96 for 4 products or $2.24 a piece. That is such a steal. 50% off compared to going to Walmart and paying full price, which obviously we don't do on this channel. Next deal we're doing is on Bounty and Charmin. So these are $5.49 as well. Buy 4, get a $5 register reward. What we're gonna do is grab one of the Bounty that's 2 equals 5 rolls, and we're gonna grab one of the Bounty Essentials that's 4 equals 8 rolls. We're gonna clip both of these $1 off 1 digital coupons. Next, what you want to do is grab one of the Bounty Essentials, but my store is out, and then grab one of these Charmin. Grab one of these as well because we have 2 different $1 off 1 digital coupons. My store is out, so I'm just gonna grab 2 packs of these. So my actual price will be $1 more, but I'm gonna give you the breakdown if you're grabbing all of the correct products. So with these 4 products, your total is $21.96. After the $4 in digital coupons come off, assuming you grab one of the Charmin Essentials as well, you're gonna wind up paying $17.96, earning back a $5 register reward, makes your final cost $12.96 for 4 of them, or $3.24 a piece. These also work with the P&G promotion, so definitely check that out. It'll be linked below for you guys in the description box. You can either do spend 20, get 5. Now that is spending $20 out of pocket after all coupons and rewards and such, so just keep that in mind. But you can submit multiple receipts. This week I went to CVS, grabbed a Venus, Gillette razors, those are all included. Bounty & Charmin is all included as well, so I'm definitely going to be able to submit. Another deal I'm going to grab to be able to get some Ibotta rebates is on the CoverGirl. So they're buy one, get one half off. So I'm grabbing one of these invisible powders here. This one will be full price at $9.24. We have a $2 digital coupon and we're submitting to Ibotta for $3 cash back. Then I'm grabbing an eye product, cheapest product that's included. I'm gonna grab one of these mascaras, the Professional, for $7.49. There is a $2 off one digital coupon, and on Ibotta, we're grabbing $3 cashback rebate as well. So now here's a scenario that you can do if you have a digital booster for spend 30, get $10 in Walgreens cash. You're gonna grab all of these products here. Total is $41.69. So I'm gonna use $10 in Walgreens cash. That'll bring me to $31.69. Still over $30, so we're good to go. Then we have $17 worth of digital manufacturer coupons that we're gonna be using. You'll pay $14.69, get back a $10 register reward for the hair care deal, $5 register reward for the crust deal, and $10 in Walgreens cash back. That makes your net cost free and about a 31-cent moneymaker. And in the last one, I only had 2 crusts showing. You're supposed to have 3, so sorry about that. If you have a spend booster of spend 40, get 10, this is a deal that you can do. Total for all of these products is gonna be $43.96. This is also gonna track towards my monthly booster of spend 40, I think it was 7 times, get back $20 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna use $3 in Walgreens cash. New total is $40.96. Still over 40, so we're good to go to work with both of those digital boosters. We have $15 worth of digital coupons that we're gonna be using, plus I'm gonna use the $10 register reward and the $5 register reward from the first transaction, so long as the $10 register reward is not a store coupon, so I do have to check on that. I'll pay $10.96, get back a $5 register reward, a $5 register reward, a $5 register reward, and $10 in Walgreens cash. All right, we are back in from Walgreens. Everything went great. That $10 reward is a store reward, so I did not use it to lower my cost because otherwise it would have messed up earning back the $10 in Walgreens cash, because your spend booster counts after store coupons, and that is considered a store coupon. That's a register reward. So heads up on that. Okay, so let me show you guys my transactions. So, and I also, it's so windy outside. I had to open my back door because I needed to find the CoverGirl to scan it on Ibotta because it wasn't finding it. And I watched one of my receipts fly past me and I have no idea where it went. So yeah, I'm missing at least one receipt. And of course it wasn't my CVS, I don't think. I'm pretty sure it was a Walgreens one because I did 3 transactions at Walgreens. Yeah, and I only have 2 receipts now. Dang, that is so annoying. Okay, anyway, let me show you what I do have. First transaction, that is so insane that just occurred. Yeah, it was my first big one that I did, Barnacles. Okay, well, the spend 30 transaction that I showed you guys, I actually did that deal myself and it worked out. I checked in the store, I got back the Walgreens cash and everything, so yeah, can't show it to you because it's gone, which really stinks because I need that. So here is another transaction I did. This one was for the spend 40. Here's all the digital coupons that came off. I used a $5 register reward, paid $23.97 out of pocket. I did earn back $10.40 in Walgreens cash, plus I submitted to Ibotta for $6 cash back, and I got back all of my register rewards for this transaction. Then I did the hair care deal again. So I did one on my mom's account for her because she needs those products, and one on my account. So this one, I just did it by itself, and then I rolled the register rewards that I had just earned from the other transactions. The digital coupons came off, and I paid $7.11 out of pocket for all 6 of those products. That worked out really, really well. I do have a resale client that has been asking me for more sets too, so I'll be able to resell these too, which is perfect because I don't use all of them, but I'm able to get them so cheap that it winds up working out. So let's go home now. I'm gonna enter in everything into my budget spreadsheet, and I'll check my credit card to see how much I paid out of pocket on that last one that flew out the window. So that way we can make sure that it's accurate, because it's very important to track your spending. You cannot manage what you don't track. So if you're not saving hundreds yet, you're not able to pay off your debt from couponing, and you're like, what the heck's going on? That is why you've got to track your spending. So I'll show you how I do it. Okay, we are back home from Walgreens, so we're gonna go ahead and enter everything into the budget spreadsheet. So we are on March at the bottom. If you grab this spreadsheet, I linked it for you guys. You can make a copy, and then you can just keep duplicating it year over year. It'll have a video as well teaching you how to do the financial goals tab and the budget setup tab. So what we're gonna do is scroll over to the coupon trips tab, and this is where we're gonna be logging anything that we are gonna be doing regarding couponing. Over here on the transactions is what you're going to be doing for all of your like electric bill, your groceries, going out to eat, baby shower gifts, anniversary gifts, like whatever. Every other transaction is going to go in the left. Coupon trips is just for couponing. So we're going to put in the date, and we're going to pick the store. So now you're going to do sale price, which is going to be the sale price of all the products that you grabbed for that transaction. So let me add up my first transaction. Okay, so we were at $45.49, and then out of pocket, including taxes on this one, was $23.97, and then cash back, I got $6 back from Ibotta. Next transaction is this one, which was $29.69. Out of pocket, I paid $7.11. and no cash back on this one. In my third transaction, I just did the Bounty and Charmin deal by itself. So that was $21.96 of product value. I paid $4.80 out of pocket. And then again, I did not get any cash back on this one. So now it's gonna average everything out. On average, I'm still at almost 80% in savings, and I've saved $482 so far this month. So that is what I'm going to be able to use to keep putting towards my debt, so that way I can be debt-free this year, which I'm super excited about. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I do have a free class going on Wednesday where I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to find these deals and my 5-step system for being able to use those savings to actually put towards your debt. So if you guys want to join, click the link on the bottom left, and I will see you guys there. Bye.